Here's how to recover deleted photos on any Android phone. Now, if you've ever accidentally deleted a photo or a video from your phone, whether it was just a few minutes ago, a couple of days ago, or even a long time ago, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can try to get it back. But before we get started, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like the video, because it really supports the channel. So, first of all, when you delete a photo on Android, it doesn't always get removed permanently right away. Most of the time, it actually gets moved to a trash or recycle bin, where it stays for a limited number of days. The first place you should always check is the Google Photos app. So go ahead and open Google Photos on your phone. Once you're inside the app, look at the bottom menu and tap on the Collections option. After that, you'll see a section called Trash. Go ahead and tap on that. Inside the Trash folder, you'll find all the photos and videos that you recently deleted. Now, depending on whether your photos were backed up or not, they will stay here for around 30 to 60 days before being permanently deleted. You can scroll through the list, tap and hold on any photo you want to recover, and then tap on the Restore button. This will bring the photo back to your gallery. Now, if you don't find your photo in Google Photos, if you've checked both of these places and still can't find your deleted photos, there is one more method you can try. You can use a third-party recovery app from the Play Store. One popular option is an app called Disk Digger. To get it, open the Play Store, search for Disk Digger, and install it on your phone. Once the app is installed, open it up. It may ask for some permissions, so just allow them so it can scan your device properly. After that, you'll see an option that says Search for Lost Photos. Tap on it, and the app will start scanning your phone's storage. After the scan is complete, it will show you a list of deleted photos that it was able to find. Some of these photos might not appear in your trash folders, which is why this method can be really helpful. All you need to do is select the photos you want to recover and tap on the Recover button. Then you can choose where you want to save them, like your phone storage or a cloud service. Just keep in mind that recovery is not always guaranteed, especially if a lot of time has passed or new data has overwritten the old files. But in many cases, this method works really well. So that's how you can recover deleted photos on any Android phone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions.